The law of attraction, the basics today on Awakening with Amy. Hi, welcome. I'm Amy Valentine, a certified life coach, hoping to awaken within you your creative power so you can be, do, and have more of what you truly desire. And in today's video, I want to get back to basics and talk about the law of attraction. Why? So it can help you be more, get more, have more of what you truly desire instead of what you don't want in your life. Okay, so let's get into it. Law of attraction. What is it? It's like attracts like. Law of attraction says what is like itself is drawn to itself. It's like that saying, birds of a feather flock together. That's law of attraction. And really, it was kind of became mainstream through that movie, The Secret, right? So I'm just hoping in this video, if you have a basic sense and understanding of law of attraction, you're going to get to create more of what you truly want. And later in the video, I'm going to talk about a 3-step process so you can have, kind of a better understanding of law of attraction and then use it in your life to practice. So stick around if you want to, understand and know that process later. But now let's just talk about the essence of law of attraction. Like attracts like I said. So the biggest misconception I think that happens is that we think once we hear about the law of attraction, that we're going to start to use it in our lives. Understand that the law of attraction, we're not using it, it's using us. And what do I mean by that? The law of attraction is responding to us. To what? To what we're thinking about, what we're focused on, and what we're dominantly feeling. The essence of anything we're thinking and feeling on every subject of our life. And how you understand the correlation between what you're thinking about and what you're getting in your life is by understanding, oh my gosh, everything that I'm getting, experiencing in my life is because of the law of attraction. And I didn't know it, right? We're attracting to us via what I'm thinking about, what I'm believing to be true for me, because the law of attraction, that like attract like, is really just the universe's way of saying yes to us. The universe is neutral. It's a neutral energy. And remember Nikola Tesla said this. He said, if you want to understand the secrets of the universe, you have to think in terms of energy, vibration, and frequency. In essence, the law of attraction, right? So basically, I'm thinking a thought that's vibrating out and I'm getting the essence of that thought. And, once you start realizing that, once I realized that, I was like, oh my God, I started getting freaked out. Like on one hand, I was like, yeah, this is like the creative power. I'm going to take my power back. On the other hand, I was like, oh my God, I got to be worried about what I'm thinking about. No, you don't worry. This is why. This is the key to the law of attraction. It's only responding to you now. I'm going to say that again. This is the powerful law of attraction is only responding to you right now. It's not responding to your past. It's not responding to what you've been or where you've been. It's responding to your now moment. So it's not about controlling your thought. It's about becoming aware of the quality of your thought. It's about becoming aware that I'm not my thoughts. I'm thinking those thoughts and they have attractive power. By what? By how much I focus on them. So when a thought comes up, it evokes a feeling, right? So thought plus elevated emotion is what manifests a physical, tangible thing, an experience in our life. So just be aware of that. And just keep reminding yourself. And it's really a game of shifting your perception, expanding your awareness. Why? So you can be, do, and have more of what you truly love in your life. All right, so let's get into this process of how you can trust and use and understand, this knowledge and kind of like almost prove to yourself that the law of attraction is working, whether I know it or not. Now I'm just going to become awake to that. So here's the process. It's AIM. It's AIM. The first step is ask for what you want. How do we do that? Well, you have to become your own coach. Like, what do I want, right? Ask yourself, what is it that I want? Let's say I want to go on vacation. And turn that into a positive affirmation. I want to go to Hawaii. I intend to go to Hawaii. The second step is imagine. So just remember, law of attraction is responding to me now. My now thinking, my now quality of my thoughts, my now vibration. So you imagine yourself, what would I be thinking? What would I be feeling? What would I be doing if I were in Hawaii? The law of attraction, the universe, doesn't know the difference between what you're imagining to be and what really is. It's not responding to what currently is unless you're focused on that. So imagine a simple scene and let the image come to you. Like, what would I be thinking, doing, feeling? Imagine yourself sitting on the beach, that your toes are in the sand, the sun is warm, shining on your body. You're tasting the salt air. Maybe you're taking a hike. Maybe you're walking on the beach, whatever. Just imagine a simple scene until, that image comes to you. And then throughout your day, move in the direction of that thinking. How do you do that? You understand, remind yourself again, what I'm thinking about, I'm bringing more about. What I'm focusing on is expanding. The law of attraction is responding to me. So I'm going to match my thinking throughout the day to, I'm on my way to Hawaii. I don't know when or how it's going to happen, but I'm going to Hawaii. I'm going on vacation. I can feel it. So you move in the direction of your thought. And when those doubts come up, and they will, the contrary, just know those doubts are your friend. Those counter thoughts are helping you understand the nature of your thought. So don't push them away. Just let them come up, let them be there, and neutralize them in the moment of now. Because remember, law of attraction is just responding to me now. Neutralize them by creating a positive intention. No, you can't go to Hawaii. You don't have time for that. You don't have the money saved. How are you going to do that? Let it come up. Let it be information for you, and then counter it. Neutralize it by saying, no, I intend to go on vacation. I intend to get to Hawaii. I don't know how it's going to happen, but I'm going to remind myself about the law of attraction, and that at the center of the law of attraction is what I'm focusing on. And I'm going to trust. I'm just going to, trust in myself, believe in this until it feels natural to me. And you just do that throughout your day. Just move in the direction of your thought, of what you want. And let the counter thoughts just come up to help you clarify. So if you want more tips and tools and, just an understanding of attraction so you can be, do, and have more, please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. I'd really appreciate it. And have a great day. Thank you.